Good morning, people. So someone had asked, what's with the little 53 Chevy in the background? Again, this is my buddy Corey. He brought it in. Sitting a little low in the back, so Mike put some air shocks in, installed them. He's got the air thing right there. Did the air shocks. I believe he got the tack working. I think, let's see, he was supposed to move the trunk popper, which he must have found out where it was, because there was a cable in the middle here, which is probably still there, but the popper itself didn't work. So he must have figured it out. The wiring got that working. I don't know, guys. See, I'm just getting opened up here this morning, guys. It's Tuesday and I was away on holidays. So, but yeah, I don't have the key with me to open up inside. You can probably see in there. Just a 350 Chevy with a 350 in it. Oh, Mike had to put the hood. Corey wanted the hood bird back on there. Plain emblem, whatever you call it. Someone's put the extra teeth on the grill, painted the grill. Obviously painted the grill probably because the chrome wasn't good. Didn't want to spend the money on it, I would assume, because everything else got the nice chrome on it, but that. Good little cruiser. It's not perfect. It's got a few marks here and there, but it's a perfect little cruising car. Corey doesn't keep cars long. Corey buys them, has some fun with them, flips them, makes a little bit of money. Never a lot, just a little bit. Moves on to something else. You know, Corey's retired. He just likes to have fun. His days of working on cars are over now. He's getting up there. So his fun is buying them and flipping them. There's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. You know, I mean, when I get older, my plan is all the parts that you guys see around the shop that I tell you that are not for sale, all the stuff I sell is not for sale. Well, when I get older and can't work on cars, I'm going to go to swap meets, or maybe just stay home and advertise once a month and have my own little swap meet and sell stuff and get to meet the younger generation and what's going out there and see what's happening in the car world. It's kind of my plan, right? So I want to make sure all my stuff goes to a good home. Now, when I was gone away, obviously Mike has got the small block Chevy fitting in here. He could only go so far because I only had so many parts for him. I didn't have the headers. The rad I didn't have yet. Inner fenders here all painted up, but no point putting the inner fenders on when you can just work on the engine nice and easy like this. So yeah, so it looks like he's got the engine and tranny all mounted in, bolted in. That looks nice. That definitely looks better than that straight six. Wow, perfect. Perfect. You know, and then I assume he's working on the, I believe he was working yesterday on the 32 here. I don't know exactly what happened, but I'll find out today. So what's going to happen right now is I'm going to get set up here, get going on a few things myself. I got some stuff to do to the GTO. We're going to get the rocker panel chrome on it. We're going to get the hood on it, fitting the hood on it today. I got kind of all over the map today again. I'm sorry it's not like a how-to video, but just kind of all over. But it's a video, and it's showing what's going on here, and that's what it is. We're a working shop, so I got to show you what's going on. Not every day can be focused on welding a quarter panel on. We bounce around a lot. I bounce around a lot. That's what happens. So, you know, we got to get back on our little Model A over there. Now that I'm back from my trip, I can go pick up a bunch of stuff for the Model A, get that organized. Yeah. Things are going good, and it looks like it's a beautiful sunny day. October today, and I do believe it said it's going to be a high of 21 here. So, right on. So with that being said, I'm going to figure out where we're going to get going, where we're going to get started. Then I will turn this camera back on, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, so we're on the GTO. Fitted the hood to it today. Got beautiful lines and gaps. Look at that. Look at that line and gap. Look at that line and gap. Looking good. So next we're going to be doing door pins. The door pin on this side is no good. So we got our trusty tool here for taking the spring off. And now we're going to see if we can get the pin out without actually taking the hinge off. But if I got to take the hinge off, I got to take the hinge off. But we'll see what comes of it. We'll give that a try. And Sean's working away, working in there, getting all the edges done. Because we probably are going to be painting all the edges this week. Which reminds me, I better order some paint up. Okay, we got the new door pins in on the other side, and this window is broken, wouldn't roll up and down. So I put new rollers on it. Got that all fixed. You literally have to take the window out to put the rollers on. If you're wondering what I mean by rollers, I think we threw them in the garbage over here. We jumped the gun. You guys didn't get to see. You're not gonna see. Anyway, there's a piece of one. So, and Sean's prepping out. Next, now we're gonna fit this rocker panel molding. And this rocker panel molding is, it's got a bit of a wave in it here. But, you know, it's so thin, I guess that's just the way it is today. So they give us all these clips. So I'm going to fit it to the car, see how that goes. Sean's got all prepped in the edges here. Like I say, we should be painting some of this week, if not next week for sure. And the week after, the whole car. So let's see if I can fit some chrome on that. Okay, I'll show you guys the you guys remember the Ranchero, the 59 that was in? Anyway, it's all done. Mike's got all the heads back on it, and that's all taken care of, and it's running and driving good. Nice car. Very nice car. Owner's going to be taking it home next week. Take it out for a little cruise in the morning, see how it's working out. Like I say, just working away on the GTO in there, taking a break for a moment, getting kind of frustrated with it, having a bit of a problem with the rocker panel chrome, putting it on. It's always a nightmare. I'm not going to lose sleep over it, but I am going to get pissed off over it. So when you start to get pissed off, you just got to walk away, and that's what I'm doing. I'm walking away. Mike's working away on the panhard bar on this car. Just getting it all welded up here. Looking good. So that's nice. That's the little 32. I think that's all we really got on the go for you guys today. Not much. I will tell you, Sunday Funday is back. This Sunday I will be back on my 55. I'm super stoked. We're going to throw some bracing in it, and we're going to attempt to finish cutting all the floors out of it. And then maybe next week we'll start putting the frame together. Bolt the new floor pan to the frame, lift this body off with the hoist, if the hoist is available, and slide that body down onto the new frame with the new floor pan in it, and then start welding the floor pan in. Then it's off to Sean to do a little body work. We're not going to get too crazy on this one for body work. We're not going to primer, block, paint. We're not going to do that. We're going to do body work, primer it, block it, paint it, call it a day. Because it's just, you know, it's just a fun gasser style car. It's going to be logoed up all over the place. So I don't need to make it like a show quality build. It's a fun build. You know, it's going to eventually have rubber all over the quarter panels and everything. And yes, I'm cutting them out. Everyone keeps asking. I'm cutting them out. I'm just waiting till I get the floors in. Because your floors have the back of your rockers attached to them. So see? I don't know if you can see that, but see how it's all moving around? It's all flexing. I mean, I could cut them out like that. I'm not saying you can't, but I'd sooner have all the floors in and then attached, sitting on the ground, on the proper frame, because this got huge, beefy shackles in the back, sitting where I want it to be sitting, so I can get the cut I want to cut, if that makes sense. I just don't want to start cutting the rear quarters just to cut the quarters so I can see the opening. You know what I mean? It has to be right. It has to be right. So that's it. So yeah, and there's all our boxes of goodies right there we've got to open up. So I think with that being said, that's all you really got to see today. Not too much, just working away on that. I'll get back to you on Thursday. It was just it wasn't much to show you. It's what fun is it watching me drill holes for rocker panel chrome and, you know, and replace a door pin. That's not a lot of fun. And then we fixed the window too in the back, right? That pretty much took up almost all the day, believe it or not. Anyway, that being said, hey, it's always a good time, an old time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And we will catch you on Thursday evening. All right.